All right, everyone, welcome back to Time Flies By. Today we have a very special piece in front of the camera, and I'm excited to share with everyone. Also, today was a little bit of a disappointment. I tried to go for a Skirfa watch, the MS-23, but just like a lot of other people, that didn't happen. They only made 100, and you just got to be quick, and if you're not quick enough, then too bad. And it's kind of frustrating. I get it. But I'm not going to sit here and cry about missing a watch. I'll just move on. And that was my attitude. It was around 1 p.m. where I tried to get it. And then I got home and this was waiting for me. So another hard to get, hard to obtain watch. And so I'm going to open it here. I already had this one from before. This is the Vanuatu in titanium, and I've been loving this and wearing it a ton. It's a big beefy watch, and like I said, it has a really good titanium bezel. Usually titanium bezels, in my experience, haven't been the most pleasant to operate, but so far this one here has been amazing. So that's the first helm. I ordered a strap with the watch. I heard their canvas straps are really nice, and this one does look good as well. So that's a khaki color. And now we're gonna go ahead and open the watch. So again, you get the little pouch here. I believe there's the instruction manual. There might be some decals, some stickers. Yeah, so same as the one that I previously opened. And then here's the warranty card, and then the testing on the movement. This movement, I'm not 100% sure which one it uses. I don't know if it's the Miyota or if it is an NH35. Probably judging by the price, it's probably an NH35. This is a very affordable watch and very packed watch for what you get. And then here's the card that they write you, appreciating the business. So as you can see here, fully wrapped bracelet, and you get a really nice microfiber cloth, a good decent size, and a pretty good material, and it is stamped. And here is the watch. So I went for the Miyako. It's a small, it's named after a small Japanese island, and wow, that is gorgeous. I love that profile. I love the big beefy bezel, and that dial is just amazing. I went with the gray dial. They also had a blue dial. And a little bit of a bonus, I didn't know it came with the Velcro strap or a nylon strap, a ribbed one. I also have, so I'll have the bracelet, which is kind of cool. Yeah, that looks nice and robust. For micro adjust will do and work just fine. Pretty solid. So this is stainless steel, of course, and you'll also get some pretty heavy duty spring bars and extra screw pins and the tool to size it. I also have, with the Vanuatu, came the bracelet and these Zulu style single pass. That's a bit awkward to wear on this watch, only because the way that the case protrudes down, but it does work better on other watches that are a bit flatter, that don't have as much curvature to the lugs. So I'll probably try this one here on the Miyako, unless, yeah, this does look like it's a 22 millimeter. Let's take this one off. Really good hardware. I really like the packaging. It's very simple. It's very compact, and I really, like I said, I really like the packaging. So here it is. I love those the beaver teeth marker on the bezel insert. It's a bubbled sapphire crystal bezel insert, and I like it. I like the drilled lugs. I like the polished sides. And that dial is just so special. The wave pattern in the middle, really, really nice. I don't mind the date. I know some people are going to hate it, but I actually don't mind the date. And I like the fact that they even put that little red triangle there, that pointing marker. And I like the see-through lollipop on the balance, counterbalance of the second hand. So yeah, really nice. Let's check out the bezel action. Let's take off the plastic first. I didn't even see that plastic. Ooh, that was nice. Is there any other plastic? No. Yeah, very nice and loud and clicky. Very nice. Lines up. All right, let's try this out. Let's take this off, and then we'll try it on wrist. This might not slide out. Let's try it on wrist first. Take this guy off. So yeah, I was really lucky with the first one. I just asked, simply said, looking for a Vanuatu in titanium, and someone answered the call. So here's a 43 millimeter, and here's a 40 millimeter. Height wise, and yeah, someone answered the call and says, yeah, I have a code, I'm not going to use it. Here I'll oh no, sorry, this one here wasn't a code. They ended up getting the watch, but he already had another one, the person, and was kind enough to trade with me. I traded another watch for this one, another 42 millimeter titanium with the same movement. So it was a very easy swap, and I was very happy I did that, and I believe that gentleman is as well. So that's the Vanuatu. And then I was always wanted the HELM. I know it doesn't have the design language of some of the other models. I always wanted the Miyako because I just like the dial, I like the layout, the indices, the 936912 and all that. I really like that wave pattern, and also you'll see on the back once we take the strap off what the case back looks like. Let me just go ahead and put this on. Oh yeah, it's really nice already. Feels really good. I'll probably have to just center the watch a little bit on the strap more, but so far so good. Really, really nice. 6 3/4 inch wrist, and it fits well. This is gonna go on fabric. It's gonna go on a nice distressed leather, and I'll wear it on a bracelet from time to time as well. But yeah, really happy with it so far. Let me know what you guys think. We'll do a loom shot here of both of them together in a second. Let's see what it looks like here. Okay, I got those both charged up. Let's shut the lights. So yeah, as you can see, I really like the C3 and the BGW9. I like the C3 on the Miyako, and I like the BGW9 on the Vanuatu. I think it just works better in my opinion. I like the vintage look of this dial layout. So the C3 for me works a little bit better on this dial. And then you have the big white markers against the black dial, so I think the BGW9 works a little bit better on the Vanuatu. That's just my opinion, but again, you guys let me know which style do you like better, which watch do you like better, which size and all that. I'm really happy with both, and I'm going to wear these a ton. So yeah, so far really, really liking it. This one here, I asked a group member for a code, and one came up really short. I know when I signed up for this, I'm number 4,000 on the list, and so that would be about 2 years waiting time. So I'm not that patient, and I asked, and someone delivered. So that person, you know who you are. Thank you very much. If you don't, then I'm gonna send him a separate message as well. Let's take that guy out. Nice tight fit, really good spring bars they use. And here's the case back. Look at that engraved pattern. I love it. Let's take this off. I'm not sure if they're numbered. I can't see. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's a it's a Miyota 9015 movement. That is awesome. What a good price for this watch. HELM Miyako. Divers 200 meters. That's a beautiful, beautiful case back. Very nicely done. Very nice engraving. Yeah, so super thrilled with this. I will take some pictures, and I'll size the bracelet, and I'll also leave a link, and I'll start sharing on Instagram as well. You can find me at Time Flies By 2020 on Instagram, and if you like what you see, give a follow, give a like, and there will be more content to come. All right, cheers. See you in the next one.